f is a function such that f of x is 1 over x squared minus 1. Find f of 1/4. G is a function g of x is equal to square root of x plus 1, where x is greater or equal to minus 1. Find fg, giving your answer as simply as possible. So we've got the function f of x is 1 over x squared minus 1. So we've got find f of 1/4. That means find f of x when x is equal to 1/4. So that's going to be 1 over 1/4 squared minus 1, which is going to be 1 over 1/16 minus 1. So it's going to be 1/16 minus 1 will be 1 over minus 15 over 16. And when you divide by a fraction, you need to multiply by its reciprocal, so that's going to be equal to minus 16 over 15. To find fg, this means first do g and then do f. So basically we've got to find f of g, which is f of square root of x plus 1. So now everywhere there's an x in f, we now replace it with the square root of x plus 1. So there's going to be 1 over the square root of x plus 1 squared minus 1. Now, if you square root something and square it, they cancel each other out. So you're going to get 1 over x plus 1, take away 1, plus 1 minus 1 gives you 1 over x. So this has been a video to show you how to find a value of a particular function and the composite of two functions. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.